Today we'll talk about the structure. How can we draw the structure of carbonyl sulfate COS? The first we must calculate the valence shell of every atom in these molecules. So carbon atomic number 6, oxygen atomic number 8, sulfate atomic number 16. Now we can see carbon, helium, the noble gases, 2s2, 2p2. So it has 4 electron in the valence shell. Also oxygen, it have atomic number 8, helium, 2s2, 2p4. It has 6 electron in the valence shell. Kibrit, the noble gases is neon, 3s2, 3p4. It has 6 electron in the valence shell. Now we must calculate how electrons in the valence shell of these molecules. So we can see that we have one molecule of carbon. It has 4 electron in the valence shell. Also we have one atom of oxygen. It has 6 electron in the valence shell. Sulfate, it has one electron, one atom. It has 6 electron in the valence shell. So 4 plus 6 plus 6, it is 16 electron in the valence shell. Now how can you use this 16 electron to draw the Lewis structure of COS? First, we must take the central atom in this molecule, so we can use carbon. Why you would take carbon? Carbon because it is less electronegativity between oxygen and kibrit, so and sulfate. So it is will be in the middle, and we will put sulfate in the other side and oxygen in the other side. Now what we have now, we have a 16 electron valence shell, so we must do bound between carbon and silicon. It's one bound, we will do one, and we put another 2, 3, 4. We must also put bound between carbon and oxygen. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will see around sulfate. We must how electron in the around kibrit. It has sulfate. It has 8 electron. So it is reached to the octal role. Now we will see oxygen. Also it has 8 electron in the so it is reached to the octal role. But if we see carbon now, how many electrons the carbon? We will see now a carbon, it has just 4 electron. So this structure is not be acceptable, so we must change. How can we change to make carbon in the middle of this structure reach the octal role? So we'll do two things. First, the sulfate atoms, we will move 2 electron and put carbon and sulfate, so it will be double bond. Also we have 3, 4. So sulfate, it has now 8 electron. Also we'll do in the between the oxygen and carbon, we'll move 2 electron and make double bond between carbon and oxygen. So now calculate. We have oxygen, it has 8 electron. Now we must see how many electron around carbon. So it is also 8 electron. So we'll see now every atom in this structure, it has 8 electron. So it will be reached to the octal role. So it is the best structure we can do to CO as carbonyl sulfate. Thank you for watch.